Hi everyone, I'm Vinali and today I'm going to share some tips and tricks on my favorite topic, that is creating videos. We'll focus on creating videos promoting Oriflame products from current catalog. Let me start with sharing why I love recording my own videos and share them in different channels. First of all, you can reach as many people as you want. You can share it with your Facebook, Instagram or YouTube followers. Also, you can post it on WhatsApp groups or you can send it to people directly. Moreover, you can shoot any video with the comfort and safety of your home. Let's start with the preparation. There are few things that you need to keep in mind. For example, the way you look. Since we are talking about promoting the catalog today, you can definitely put on some extra makeup to feel confident and to make some connection with the products that you are planning to promote. Today, I will talk about the March catalog. It's a spring catalog full of new launches from the One range. So I chose to wear light makeup, a light pink lipstick and gently highlighted my eyes. Now let's talk about preparing the room. Remember, you should have a good lighting, either a natural light or a ring light with phone holder. People should be able to see your face as well as the products that you are planning to promote on camera. You should think about the angle of the camera. It should be to your eye level. Also, the camera should be on a holder so it's not moving while you are recording a video. Remember also about the background. I like to keep my background clean. There is nothing behind me, so people are not distracted with the background. They can focus on the message of my video. Let me show you how a perfect video shot looks like.
So here I am. I'm recording my video vertically so I can post it as WhatsApp or Insta story. My light is perfect, my background is clean and my camera is nice and steady.
Another thing that you should think about is exactly what to discuss. Of course, it is not possible to cover the entire catalog, so spend some time out and choose the right products that you are planning to promote. This time, I will talk about 4 or 5 different products. Some are new launches and some that are absolute bestsellers. To make it easier to navigate in the catalog, use small colorful sticky notes to mark the pages featuring your chosen products.
Another thing you should remember that your videos should focus on what kind of benefits your customer will get after using the products. Talk benefits. That is crucial, right? But I have a solution for you. What you can do is take small colorful sticky notes, write the benefits of the products and stick them behind the product box. You can easily read out the benefits from the notes and nobody will ever come to know. Don't worry if you forget something. Be yourself, be real, nobody knows your script, so they won't notice if you miss out on anything. Now let's talk about how and what you should present and promote in a video. The first and foremost rule is to keep everything personal and relatable. It is your own video, so talk about your own experiences, your stories and your own opinions. Let's say you're talking about this lipstick. So rather than just showing this lipstick into the camera, talk about its benefits. Like you can say, the first thing that I'm going to talk to you guys about is the absolute hit of this catalog. It's the new The One lipstick. Guys, this lipstick is truly amazing. I applied it in the morning and as you can see, it is still holding on very deep and saturated. When you apply it in the beginning, it is very soft and creamy on lips, but within few minutes, it becomes matte and has got very good texture on the lips. I have applied the shade Ultra Terracotta and it's definitely my new favorite. It is great to show the product to the camera. Whenever you are showing a product, remember to cover the back of the product with the other hand so camera is picking up a sharp picture. So this is how the Ultra Terracotta shade looks like. It's a very beautiful and daring shade. I have also ordered 2 more shades, Ultra Burgundy and Ultra Red, and I'm definitely going to try out those 2 shades on coming weekend. Whether you're promoting a makeup or skincare product, it is great to show it onto your skin because it creates authentic experience for your viewers. Also, they can visualize how it truly looks. So here you guys can see all the 3 shades and notice the difference in their colors. They look very soft and silky when applied, and in a few minutes they will turn into complete matte texture. You should avoid mentioning the discounts or prices of the products. Focus on experience and benefits of the products that you have got after using them. If people are interested or intrigued, they'll themselves come to you, ask for the price or take a look of the catalog by themselves. A very important part of your video is closing or call to action. You should finish your video in a way that encourages people to reply, comment or reach out to you directly. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you really enjoyed it, then do let me know in the comment section or DM me if you want to know more about the great products we just covered. Waiting to hearing from you. When you share a video on social media or send it directly to someone, don't forget to follow up. Reach out to people who left you a comment or direct message and check if they want to hear more about Oriflame products from you. And that's how you create bigger and bigger community of customers and brand partners. And also, this is how you reach more and more people. That's it for today. Record your own video and share it with your friends and family. Remember to be well prepared. Get your best look, fix the lights and background, and know exactly what you want to talk about. Keep the video very personal and talk about the benefits of the products. And last but not the least, encourage people to reach out to you for more details. Good luck!